Tired of risking your life cleaning high-rise windows or spending hours on tedious window cleaning? After testing numerous window cleaning robots, we've selected the 5 that truly deliver spotless results without the hassle. From basic models to advanced ones with smart navigation and safety features, these robots will transform your window cleaning routine. Each model you'll see has unique features that could be exactly what you need, so I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. Now let's check out the Tosima Window Cleaner Robot, 3,800 pascals. If you've ever struggled with cleaning high windows or glass doors, you'll get why this caught my attention. What really makes this one different is its artificial intelligence 3.0 path planning system. I've tested it myself, and it actually does map out cleaning paths that make sense, not just random movements like some cheaper robots I've tried. The 3,800 pascals suction power isn't just a number on paper. You can really see the difference when it tackles dried water spots and fingerprints. I'm pretty impressed with how it handles everyday dirt. The microfiber pads do a good job, but here's the thing. If your windows are really dirty, you'll need to wash or replace them more often than you might expect. One thing I really like is how you can switch between different cleaning modes. Sometimes you just need a quick spot clean. Other times you want the whole window done properly. Just keep in mind that getting it set up on those higher windows can be a bit of a pain. I definitely learned that the hard way. Let's talk safety, because, well, nobody wants their robot falling off the window. The anti-fall sensors work well, and the attachment system feels secure. That said, it's not the quietest device out there. If you're trying to clean while watching television or working, you'll definitely notice it. Using it is pretty straightforward. Stick it on the window, pick your mode, and you're good to go. Cleaning the pads is simple enough. Just throw them in the wash. My main grip is actually with the power cord. It tends to get in the way and tangle up more than I'd like. For what it's worth, I think the Tosima is a solid choice if you're tired of manual window cleaning. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done well enough to justify the investment. I've put a link in the description where you can check the current price and more details. Let's dive into the ECOVACS WinBot W2 Omni. After spending several weeks testing this window cleaning robot, I must say, it's quite intriguing, particularly if you have windows that are tough to reach. There's one standout feature that really grabbed my attention. The first thing you'll notice is the portable cleaning station it comes with. It's more than just a storage unit. It doubles as a control center and charging dock. This is incredibly handy if you prefer to keep things tidy. The battery life offers around 110 minutes of cleaning, which is sufficient for most windows, though you might need a recharge if you're planning to clean an entire house. The sensors on this device are impressive. You can let it operate independently without worrying about it getting stuck or taking a tumble. It navigates obstacles efficiently, and while the edge cleaning mode is improved, reaching about 65% closer to the edges than earlier models, you might still need to manually clean the corners occasionally. What I found particularly impressive is the WindSlam 4.0 planning system. It's not just a marketing gimmick. You can actually see it mapping out the window and cleaning in a more systematic manner. The 3-spray nozzle setup is also quite effective, especially for tackling stubborn bird droppings and dried water stains. Now, let's address the obvious concern, the cost. It's definitely on the pricier side, which could be a deal breaker for some. Another slight inconvenience is that you can't use it while it's charging. You need to wait for it to be fully charged before starting. In conclusion, if you have the budget and a lot of windows to clean, particularly those that are hard to reach, the WinBot W2 Omni might be a worthwhile investment. It's not without its flaws, but it performs the task quite efficiently. Check the link in the description for the current price and more details. The Chovery Window Cleaning Robot offers a compelling solution for those challenging to reach windows, particularly in high-rise settings. If you've ever found yourself precariously balanced on a ladder, this gadget might just be your new best friend. With a robust suction power of 5,600 pascals, it clings securely to your windows. What stands out is its dual spiral cleaning head. While it's not the quickest, taking about 4 minutes per square meter, it ensures a comprehensive clean. It's compatible with most standard windows, provided they're over 3 millimeters thick and larger than 45 centimeters by 45 centimeters, making it quite versatile for typical households. However, there's a bit of prep work involved. You'll need to give your windows a quick wipe with a dry fiber mat beforehand, which might seem counterintuitive for a cleaning robot. They do provide a spray bottle for the cleaning solution, which is a nice touch. On the tech front, it's quite advanced. The AI technology version 2.0 helps it determine its cleaning path and knows when to stop. It also comes with a 4-meter safety cord and a fall protection system, which provides peace of mind as it navigates your windows. That said, it's not without its flaws. The noise level can be a bit intrusive, and it's not a set-it-and-forget-it device. It sometimes stops unexpectedly, which can be frustrating if you're trying to juggle other tasks. Additionally, if your windows are narrow or uneven, this might not be the best fit. User feedback highlights its effectiveness on those difficult high windows. The 1-year warranty and responsive customer service are definite perks, especially when investing in technology like this. Considering the price, it offers reasonable value, particularly since it saves you from risky ladder climbs. If window cleaning is becoming a hassle, this might be worth exploring. Check the link in the description for the current price and detailed specifications. Let's explore the HUTT window cleaning robot 6,000 pascals, a gadget that really piqued my interest when I was searching for solutions to those pesky window cleaning chores. You know, the ones that are just out of reach or awkwardly positioned? This device is perfect for those situations. It boasts a robust 6,000 pascal suction power that ensures it stays securely on your windows, and its anti-fall mechanism is genuinely reassuring. During my testing, I was particularly impressed by its spray system. Equipped with 4 nozzles and a 150 milliliter water tank, it can cover around 90 square meters before needing a refill, which is quite handy for a thorough house cleaning. However, the battery life is only 30 minutes, which can be a bit of a constraint. I found myself needing to pause and recharge when dealing with larger windows. The AI navigation is quite smart, utilizing laser edge detection to navigate and adjust suction as necessary. It performs well on most surfaces, though it occasionally hesitates in corners. It's not a major issue, but something to be aware of. A feature I found particularly useful was the variety of cleaning patterns. You can choose between S-shaped, N-shaped, or spot cleaning based on the level of dirt on your windows. For those new to such devices, the straightforward one-button operation with voice guidance is a welcome feature, making it easy to use. On the downside, it's about as noisy as a typical vacuum cleaner, which might be bothersome if you're sensitive to sound. Additionally, while it handles regular dirt effectively, I had to run it twice on particularly grimy windows to achieve a satisfactory clean. Occasionally, I even had to swap out the cleaning pad to prevent streaks. Overall, the HUTT 6,000 pascals offers a good mix of features and ease of use. It's not flawless, but it certainly beats the hassle of climbing ladders and stretching to clean those hard-to-reach areas. For more details on pricing and availability, check out the link in the description. Introducing the ECOVACS window cleaning robot W1 Pro, a game changer for those precarious moments spent on ladders trying to clean hard-to-reach windows. With a powerful suction force of 2,800 pascals, this robot adheres firmly to your windows, ensuring a thorough clean. What really stands out is the cross-water spray technology. Unlike the traditional spray and wipe method, this robot manages the entire cleaning process itself. It uses just the right amount of water to dissolve dirt without leaving any streaks behind. And if you're concerned about using it on high windows, rest assured, the safety features are robust. Even during a power outage, it remains securely in place. I personally put this to the test. The WindSlam 3.0 navigation system is quite intelligent, offering 3 cleaning modes. I found the deep cleaning mode particularly effective for tackling those stubborn winter grime spots. Its edge detection is impressive, especially on frameless glass where other robots often falter. However, there are a few practical considerations. The power cord can be a bit of a hassle, so you'll need to plan your outlet setup accordingly. During my trials, the robot occasionally got stuck in corners and required a nudge. The app is handy when it functions properly, though the connection can be inconsistent at times. As for the cost, it's on the higher side. But if you frequently deal with difficult-to-reach windows or simply value your time, it could be a worthwhile investment. I've been using it for several months, and it's definitely saved me countless hours of manual labor. You can find the current price in the link below, and I've noticed it occasionally goes on sale. For anyone looking to simplify their window cleaning routine, the ECOVACS window cleaning robot W1 Pro is worth considering. Check out the link in the description for more details and pricing information.